Finally a time comes where for years he has not been given a child. Some narrations say that he was above 80, some say he was above 90. An elderly man finally being blessed with a child in the form of Ismail alayhi salam. One can only imagine the joy and happiness that a father and mother will feel that they've been blessed with a baby. And now he's told, though you've been given a child after so many years, it is important for you to know that your son and your wife and your family don't belong to you. They don't belong to me. They don't belong to you. Your children, your family members belong to Allah. This was the message that Allah gave Ibrahim. Sometimes you say, it's my responsibility. I have to worry about their education. I have to worry about their well-being. Yes, indeed we do. But the responsibility of worrying about their education and their well-being should not be the priority of our life. Responsibility that who will make sure that these children grow up saying the kalima of La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah is our responsibility.